guys, how you doing? Okay, let me only a review for this what can I call this? This hot air that I purchased in Amazon. So this one is, the model is LRT8586 with the rework station and the soldering station. So what will I do first is I have to check the soldering iron if it's really working, both of them. So let us see. Over here in the, it says here from 200 to 480 degrees Celsius. Let us see if it's not really hot for the 200 degrees, because mostly like for example, if you have a 30-watt soldering iron, so that's about 440 degrees Celsius, so about like 824 degrees in Fahrenheit. So because mostly people ask if what is the right soldering temperature, because mostly solder melts at 180 to 190 degrees Celsius, so that's around 360 to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. So let us see. For now, let me plug, let me turn it on. So let me plug it first in the outlet. It's beeping. It says turn it off, turn off. So it has two switch over here in front, and there's one more at the back for the main power. But for this on the front, there is two switch for the rework station and for the soldering iron. See, as you see, as I touch, there's no heat. So let me turn it on. See, the lights on. So this one is, it says here, is saying here heater. So for the heater for the soldering iron. So let me see. I feel it a bit. I can feel it a bit. But it's not. So let me put to 225. I will turn here 225 because it's 200, 225 and 250. Let us see if 225 degrees Celsius, if it's really 225. Because as I said that for soldering iron, mostly like 180 to 190 degrees in Celsius and 360 to 370 degrees in Fahrenheit. So supposedly, even at this range, it's it can melt the soldering lead. But still 225 is not working, so let us adjust it again to 250. Let us see what happened. 250 still not. That's supposedly 250 degrees Celsius. Supposedly for that, the soldering iron can melt the soldering lead. But as of now, as you see, okay, now this is melting. It's melting. So let us try in the copper clad. Let's see in the board. This one is the power port. This is the port for the old Samsung Galaxy S4 from my wife's phone. Okay, let's see. Let me resolder. or this one is better. Let me check, let me see. So for now, let us see for 250. Because too much temperature, too much heat, too much hot, it gonna destroy your semiconductors, the parts of the, hold on. But as I see now, even 250 is not that much. See, it has a cold solder. So let me try 275. Yes, let me put it a little bit higher. That's 275 now degrees Celsius. So let me see. So now that's let me hold on. supposedly like 275. Supposedly that one will supposedly. So guys, as we see, the 275 is not enough. See, 275 is not enough. See, it's not enough. It just gives you a cold solder. So let us adjust to around 300 or around 285 to 80, like that. So 300. So guys, the correct settings is 300. So for me, 300 is the correct one. As you can see, for 300 you can melt it very quick. So I'll show you in a close-up. This one is for like 300. So for 300 you can melt the soldering lead really fast. So I therefore conclude that 300 is good for this machine. See, for the soldering, 300 is fine. So now let us turn off the soldering iron now, and let us check the rework station. So what we will do is we have to lower first the heater. Yeah, we will turn it off. We will turn to the left all the way. Then we will turn off the power. This thing. Alright, that's the correct one. That's off totally, the soldering iron. And so now guys, let us proceed to the rework station. And so for now you can see it's still off. So I will turn on the power, the switch, so you can see the 3 bar lines for the stable mode, standby mode. So earlier I was using this, I set to 400. So let me pick it up. So that's why you see 400. Okay, so as you see, it's going up. It will stop to maximum to 400 where I set it. So guys, in the manual it was saying that if I will put it back to the handle, it will go back down, and when it reach to 100, it will automatically shut it off. So let us see. As we see now, it's going down. So let us see. So let us see if it reaches to 100 temperature, if it really go to standby mode or shut off. So as of now it's almost there. Okay. Around 140, 149. So let us observe. It's already 1 minute. And so now it's 100. So let us see. This for now is stable. It's stable 100. Let us see if it automatically shut it off. If it automatically turn off the hot air. It's about to be 2 minutes now. Oh, it's right. It turned off by itself. Wow, that's good. And also guys, that's why earlier I put it to 400, because as I checked that 400 is the correct settings for this hot air, and for you to be able to melt the soldering lid. And you will put it also the air around like 3 or 4 over here. So I'll pick it up again. So I will show you that it gonna work for 400. I'll show you. As you see, it's melting. See, that's the correct settings. 400. So 400 is the correct one. I will show you also how to remove this one. I will show how to remove this portable port for the settings of 400. So guys, I will show you how to remove it by the settings of 400. See, easily. So 400 is the correct setting. So as you can see also, let us resolder. 400 is good. See, as you can see. So let us put it back. I'll show you how to put it back. It's not centered. So now guys, I will show you for the settings of 400. I will put it back. See, it's sticking back. But it's still hot. And so now guys, I'll show you the settings of 400 to put it back. The port, the power port. Kita see. See, it's working. So I therefore conclude that 400 is the correct setting, but you have to be careful too, because it gonna destroy your component, and too much heat or it's too hot, it gonna lower the lifespan of your component, your, for example, your transistors, the semiconductors. So as possible, get the minimum heat, the minimum that to melt the soldering lead. So far this machine is good. This one is good. And
don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here.